In this video I'm gonna teach you guys how to make money completely passively. That's right, without having to do any work at all. Trust me when I tell you, guys, that this method is not only easy, but it's super profitable, which means that you'll be raking in the cash in no time. Take a look at all of these guys who have managed to make thousands of dollars every single day just by doing this. So if you're ready to make some serious cash like them, then let's get straight to it. So today we're going to be using this awesome online tool called Rizzle. It's all about creating awesome videos from different prompts, blogs, tweets, and more. I mean, who doesn't love making and watching videos, right? So the thing I really dig about Rizzle is how it lets me unleash my creativity. You know, when you're giving prompts and stuff, it really gets those creative juices flowing. And the best part is that you don't have to be some pro filmmaker to make great content. It's perfect for people like me who just want to have fun and share some cool stuff. The best nights are when I kick back with my favorite snacks, my phone in hand, and create Rizzle videos with just a simple click. Trust me guys, it's just so addictive. There's just so much variety, and you never know what kind of video you'll end up creating. The cherry on top, Rizzle actually helps me make some extra cash. Yup, you heard that right. As you build up your following on different social media platforms and create engaging content, you'll start earning. It's not just about the money though, but let's be real, that's a nice perk. It's the satisfaction of knowing that people are enjoying what you put out there. I found that using Rizzle has helped me improve my storytelling skills too. With every video I make, I get better at expressing myself and connecting with my audience. Plus, you know what's awesome? Rizzle is so easy to use. The interface is user-friendly and the website works like a charm. I'm no tech genius, but even I can work my way around it without any hassle. So if you're looking for a fun and creative way to make some extra, Rizzle is definitely worth a shot. It's not just another money-making gig, it's like an adventure of self-expression and building connections. Now that you know all about Rizzle, let's dive into the first step of this money-making method. Step 1. Sign up for Rizzle. Alright guys, let's dive into step 1 of this money-making journey. First things first, we gotta get ourselves signed up for Rizzle, which you now know is the ultimate video making platform. To begin the magic, head over to the awesome website at rizzle.com. Once you're there, you can't miss it. The login button is right up in the top right corner. Click on that and now we're on our way. Okay, so Rizzle's got your back with two cool choices. You can either go with the super convenient Google account option, or if you're more into the classic vibes, sign up using your email address and create a solid password. It's all about what works best for you guys. Now you'll be signed up and logged in before you can even finish munching on a cookie. Seriously, it's that quick. No long waits, no complicated forms, just swift and smooth sailing. I'm all about keeping things simple, and Rizzle nailed it with their sign up process. You won't find me struggling to remember yet another password or getting stuck in some registration maze. Once you're all set up, the possibilities are endless. I'll be bursting with ideas in no time. Trust me. Step 2. Create a video. Alright, now we're on to step 2. You can now turn your ideas into an awesome video that grabs everyone's attention with Rizzle. So let me be your guide and show you how it's done. First things first, we gotta start with some text. Easy peasy, right? You just gotta get into that text box and type in whatever cool prompt or topic you want to turn into a video. Let's have some fun with it. How about making a snappy video about the best ways to rake in the cash online? Type it in and we're ready to roll. Next up, you've got some choices to make, but don't worry, it's a piece of cake. First, let's decide on the duration. You can go for a quick 30-second video that packs a punch, short, sweet, and to the point. Now you'll spot something called output type. Just keep it on auto and Rizzle will work its magic to make your video shine. No need to stress about complicated settings. We're keeping it simple and stress-free. Now for the aspect ratio set. Sounds fancy, right? Well, it's just about how your video will look on the screen. We're gonna go with 916. It's a classic and makes everything look slick. And hey, let's make this video pop with some HD resolution. So keep that resolution set to HD and your video will be crystal clear and ready to impress. Now here's a little secret. There are some extra features you can explore, but they're only available in the Pro version of Rizzle. That's totally up to you if you want to unlock those goodies. But you know what, even without them, you'll still create something fantastic. Alright, so once you've got everything set up just the way you like it, it's showtime. Hit that generate button and like magic your video will come to life. Right before your eyes, your masterpiece will be ready in no time, I have to say. It's pretty cool how Rizzle takes a simple idea and turns it into something amazing, and the best part is that you don't need to be a tech whiz or a video guru. Rizzo got your back every step of the way, so there you have it. Creating a video with Rizzle is really as easy as that. Step 3. Open up a new Instagram page. Now we're gonna be creating an Instagram page so we have a platform to post our Rizzle videos on. So first things first, whip out your phone, open up Instagram, and let's get this show on the road. I tell you, history has always fascinated me. There's just something about diving into the past, discovering epic stories of ancient civilizations, and learning about those legendary historical figures. It's like stepping into a time machine, but without all the complicated science stuff. So this Instagram page we're gonna create is all about sharing bite-sized nuggets of history, short, snappy, and interesting. And you don't need to be a history expert to do this. The key to making this page pop is finding those awesome short videos about history and historical figures. 622. Think about it, people's attention spans these days are like that of a hyperactive squirrel, so we gotta keep it snappy. But don't worry, there's a treasure trove of historical gems out there waiting to be shared. Step 4. Create videos with Rizzle to post on Instagram. Okay, so now I need you guys to head over to Wikipedia. You know the drill. Search for articles about history that tickle your fancy. Once you find that gem of an article, copy that URL. Now let's switch gears and head back to our creative haven, Rizzle. This is where the magic happens, guys. You're gonna paste that Wikipedia URL right into Rizzle as the prompt, and now Rizzle's gonna do its thing and create a captivating video about that historical story. Once that video is ready to shine, we're gonna post it on Instagram. Post that video on your page and get ready to blow some minds with your historical videos. Now I gotta admit, building an audience takes time and some elbow grease, but hey, we're not afraid of a little hard work, right? Consistency is our secret weapon. Keep posting, comments, or share your awesome content. Show them some love, respond, interact, and let them know that they're part of your little Insta family. It's all about making connections and having a good time while we're at it. Now here's the juicy part: getting monetized. Once your audience starts growing like wildfire, opportunities start knocking at your door. Brands and businesses will be like, hey, we want a piece of that history magic, and guess what? They're gonna pay you for it. And you know what's super cool? Affiliate marketing. Recommending awesome history books, documentaries, or online courses can earn you some extra cash. It's like spreading history love while earning some cash on the side. Talk about a win-win. Now look, guys, there are a ton of websites and opportunities out there to make money, and I know how overwhelming and confusing it can get. That's why it's handy to know the best ways out there to make money, and I tested out this strategy for you so you can try it out. So hopefully this helps you out. If it does, then I'd really appreciate if you like and subscribe for more awesome tips and tricks and all. See you next time.